So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create scoring rule on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website and log into your account right here, and after that you need to click on this profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now you have to select this settings icon and go with this option called scoring rules. Now select this button called new scoring rule and you have to fill up these details, which is name of your scoring rule. Select your module right here. Let's say I want to name my scoring rule Joe, and select your layout. You can either choose standard or choose all layouts, and you can also type your description of your scoring rule right here. And after filling all of these details, you just need to select this button right here called next. And now you have to select some more settings also, and after choosing them, like you have to choose your email and your email insights, and after choosing all of these settings, you just need to click on this button right here called save, and it's showing you update old records. So you can choose from these two options. You can go with update old records or you can go with continue without updating. So you can choose whichever you like. I'll go with this one. And now you guys can see I have successfully created my scoring rule on my Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can also create your own scoring rule on your Zoho CRM account. And that's it for the video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.